Welcome all to my today's shorthand class. That is very interesting and important shorthand class topics. That is chapter 6, Phrasography. Now what is a phrase? Many words together. In the same way, phrasogram in shorthand, words more than one word or two or more words put together and written, that is called phrasography. Now, when writing this, what is the benefit out of it? It increases our speed. Because when you, at a time when you write 2-3 words together, definitely it increases the speed. Now, that's what we are going to learn in this chapter. Phrasography is the writing of 2 or more words together without lifting the pen or pencil. When, as I told you, when you become expert, you can use pen also. If you are able to identify the strokes, light, thick, everything. And initial stages, you are using pencil and writing to differentiate between light stroke and the deep stroke. Therefore, when writing phrasography, you are not supposed to lift your hand. At a stretch, you will have to write. That's the meaning. The phrase writing increases the speed. I have already informed you about it. Thus, now you see how you learned in the diphthong. Here you will be using diphthong, triphon and all the short form of abbreviated form of the abbreviated form of he. All these things will be used gradually to increase the speeds. How can they? You see here, there is no placing of vowels. How can they? How can they? It is written on the line because how is written on the line. The initial writing which has to be placed in a particular area, from there only we will have to start. So in that way, how can they? It is written on the line. It's written on the line. Then I have. You have already I diphthong you have come across already. I have, we on the line is have. So I and we together, when you write, I is above the line. Therefore, I have. It's very interesting. It is written above the line because the starting I is coming above the line. I am giving you the description, what is required to you. So if you concentrate and go through my teaching, you will be definitely able to learn well. See, I thank you. I thank you. Here what happened? First placing. I, first placing. Therefore, everything will be placed in the first placing. I thank you. You is a short semicircle. Using logogram. Here we are using logogram. This is with. With this is called logogram. Now this logogram is used here. I thank you. With this logogram. No. Here this you. I thank you. You is used. And here using logogram with, we use certain things. That is coming up here. With which. With much. Much is above the line. Che above the line is much. Therefore, with much. Che on the line is which. So, with which. And here you see each through the line. Che. That is with each. This I, again, you have already came across I shortening and writing. I can, I may, I will. You have come across. The same thing, it is again reminded again. I may be shortened. That is, I can, I am, I will. Then the word he when standing alone or at the beginning of a phrase. He, when we write, when it is standing alone, we write full he. I have drawn a line and shown because that comes through the line. But in the middle of the phrase, if it is coming, that he is represented by a logogram. That logogram is what? Logogram is a short dash on the line. Logogram he. That he, when it is written in between he comes, we use this as writing. Now here you see he may. Here you see if he may. And next you see he should. Should is on the line, a slanting dash, short, half size we cannot say also, small dash. He should know. That is, and again, for easy way of joining, we write the full stroke much. So it is written full as so much, so much. Place is short, so small writing I am writing. But since I am explaining, no problem. Here you see how much. And here you see this where, W-E-R-E, where. This where is written in two ways. One is where stroke is used. Another one, where stroke is used and ray is written. Another one we can write with the R, downward R also can be written. Either where or this can be written. Okay? And they were. Downward R also certain places we write. Here you see they were. Both coming. And here you see you. On the line you and where. Where is written only downward R. Depends upon the usage. You have to remember this. That's all. You were. And here you see if they, you cannot use this where. So convenient joining, way is used. If they were. And here lastly, if he were. See here, if through the line, if he, a short he, and then way, and then they. If he were. With this video winding up, again next instruction video will follow in the same chapter. Thank you. After a short while, we shall meet again.